Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, May 30th, 2001, 8 am. As time goes by, you will have evidence of what we tell you. We proceed with caution. Hearts are opening up to reality, slowly but in an irreversible way. A new era is dawning on the horizon. Highly elevated people are leading the way to knowledge. They are pioneers of this evolutionary cycle. Their conception of life is different from that of common run of people. These special beings are people of modern times with a mission. There are serious reference books which can give you a broader idea of our comments. The world is in the making. The dawn of new day is rising. Keep your mind open. You will need it if you remain on this earth long enough to witness this ascending movement. The shock of ideas will be hard. The old concepts will be disposed of into the bin. Confrontations will be inevitable. An important change cannot be achieved without clashes. There will be much wailing and gnashing of teeth, putting things bluntly. One cannot revolutionize the world without damages. Remain serene and pray for the advent of a better world. To become a butterfly, a caterpillar goes through difficult stages which your eyes cannot discern. You can only see the result, and things are better that way. Dream of this future world, wish for it with all your soul. You will contribute to its materializing. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. Don't fear to keep your heart wide open. The world needs love. You know it, my child. What better and what more can you do? Now that you know how much this energy can change the world, you have confirmations of this too. These vibrations form a wire mesh surrounding the earth. Nothing is lost, believe me. The heart's impulses represent a force in this world. May they spread in you as well as in each one of you. Maintain thoughts of love, cultivate them in your heart as you would do for very rare and invaluable plants. They cannot die in this world. They gather and form a powerful egregore. Become aware of this power of yours. In these aspects also, future times will prove the soundness of our comments. It will be used in a precise way and in proportions that you cannot imagine, since its action is boundless. By itself, this force can transform the world and achieve a revolution in the best sense of the word. We repeat ourselves. The world is moving towards new times. You will have to adapt. We are preparing you through these messages. Our way is helping you greatly in this respect. You partake of this spirit, be confident and blessed. Babuji Maharaj.